Hey everyone, just doing a quick video on this extractor set that I bought. I had a bolt that I had and I needed to remove it because it broke, and I was looking online and I found this extractor set from Amazon. I only paid, I think, $12, and it was a good set, and it has different sizes, and it worked pretty good. Let me show you. Different sizes. You start small and it goes to large. The way you want to take it out is whenever the broken bolt is there and it won't come out, you start drilling. You get your drill bit and start drilling a small hole. And once you start with the small one, you drill again, go bigger and bigger, and then you start using these extractors. I started with the small one here, and then I went to this one, and then I just ended with using this one. It was a small bolt, so. But yeah, they work great. I recommend them. Again, this Irwin spiral flute extractor set. They're awesome, very affordable, and good material. So yeah, check it out. I'll put a description on the. I'll put a link in the description, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you like the product.